Hello to everyone, welcome to Dinsys Connect. Let's introduce our system first. It's a PC-based conferencing solution that apart from conventional video and audio sharing also provides desktop sharing, file and PPT sharing. It enables us to host multiple meetings with multiple people simultaneously over the web. We can also adjust the bandwidth as per our preferences. Now, this is the login page from where you can initialize your meetings. Just enter the username and password and click on the login button. As soon as you click on the login button, system will redirect us to the meeting listing page. This is the meeting listing page where all the meetings are listed with their status as started or not started. As for now, let's join Domino demo meeting. Click on it. Now this is the meeting details page where all the information regarding a particular meeting are listed. For example, meeting code, who's the presenter and different attendees. Now you can easily see that there are few attendees who are highlighted with green color. These are those attendees who already joined the meeting. Click on the join button and system will prompt us for the user password and meeting password. Enter both the fields and click on join button. Now what we are seeing is meeting conferencing interface. On right topmost part, all the participants are listed. Sadik, Demo, Jeetu and Delta are there in the meeting. 3 icons are there in front of their name for audio, video and desktop sharing. Now below it there is media option where 3 options are there: send video, stop audio and settings. For sharing your own video, you need to click on the send video option. For stopping your audio from sharing, click on the stop audio option, and for controlling your bandwidth, you need to click on the settings option. As soon as you click on the send video option, a preview of your video will be available. Setting will allow you to control your bandwidth for audio and video sharing. Now at the last, chat area is there where you can chat with all the participants or to a particular participant. As for now, let's say hello to everyone. Now let's load all the videos of available participants. First of all, let's load Sadik's video. Next to him is Demo. Let's load Demo's video. Now Jeetu's video. Delta is not sharing his video right now, so as soon as he starts sharing his video, we will load it. In the meanwhile, let's tile all the videos properly so that we will be able to see them properly. Go to the Windows option, under which 3 options are there. First one is for tiling them cascading. Cascading will just put all the videos onto one another. Now for tiling them vertically, click on the tile vertical option and all videos will be tiled vertically. For horizontal, same procedure will go. Now let's move to the most important menu of our system, that is share, under which 4 options are there, or we can say sub menus are there, that is desktop sharing, presentation sharing, web browser sharing and transfer file to multiple. Let's start with desktop sharing. For sharing your desktop, one has to be the presenter of the meeting. So let's make Jeetu the presenter of the meeting so that he would be able to share his desktop and we would be able to see what's going on his desktop. Now as soon as Jeetu is now presenter of the meeting, so as soon as he starts sharing his desktop, a desktop icon will be there. Now click on the desktop icon and Jeetu's desktop is loading right now. Now we can see Google page is open and different types of news, different current affairs are there. So this is the way through which you can share your desktop. Now once desktop has been shared, let's take the control back from the Jeetu and again I would like to become the presenter of the meeting. For this, taking the control back, I need to go to the options menu and click on the take control back. Now let's move to the presentation sharing. Provide the location of the file. Now this dialog box is showing the progress bar of loading the presentation onto all the present participants' desktop. It will take few seconds to load. Now through presentation sharing you can discuss over a particular slide or onto the whole presentation. Now this is the presentation. Now you need to click on the presentation and the next slide will be available to you. Okay. Now let's move to the third option, that is web browser sharing. This is a built-in browser of our system. You just need to provide the URL, or you can say web address of the page. Let's open the yahoo.com and let's see what's happening in the world. The first news is about a child, a baby with 6 legs from Pakistan. News about the IPL, etc. Okay, now let's move to the transfer file to multiple. Just provide the location of the file. Now if you want to share this file to a particular participant, you just need to click on the checkbox in front of their name. Otherwise click on to all participants and share it with all participants. This is done. Click on the done button. Now as soon as they accept the file, all the participant has to accept the file that you are sending. If they are accepting the files, then web sharing your file is done. Now let's move to the second menu, that is view, under which two options are there, that is status bar and log. Both are meant for listing different activities that has been performed on the system. Now let's move to the options menu. You can control your, or you can say you can record your session to a particular location. So whatever happened during this meeting can be recorded. Next to it there is language change. You can change your language from English to Arabic to Japanese. Now the fourth option is Windows option, under which different options are there for tiling the videos. Now this is our system all about. So just say bye to all of them. Now you can save your chats to a particular location in HTML format. So this is our system all about. Thank you very much and have a nice day.